Breaking: Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is dead. According to information wey we dey get right now, that Senator Ifeanyi Ubah has been admitted in London hospital. There he passed away. As we dey talk right now, internet don catch fire. They say the man don kpai. We are still talking about the Ohaneze President General wey be Wanyanwu, wey recently kpai few days ago, and right now the update wey we dey get is that Senator Ifeanyi Ubah don so kpai again. What is happening in Southeast? All the whole politicians for Southeast, wetin dey happen? E get wetin una know wey we no know. Please, more una let us know, and make we dey aware of wetin dey happen every day. However, na so we get the information. Now we say we still drop am here, make everybody know say e don settle. But let's jump into this ogbonge news wey dey for our table as we dey talk right now. This man, I no know him name, and this kind people, if they dey talk like this, I no even wan know their name. He don come outside, come tell us saying they happy. He say as e be like this now, he say that Tinubu don agree to change Southeast, to bring development for inside Southeast recently. Okay, say everybody should drop the agitation of Biafra so that they go embrace Tinubu government and make sure say they bring change to inside Southeast. Now wetin this man dey talk, and which we go play on the video and make una watch. But let us also enlighten you of wetin dey happen between this and the bad governance protest wey is coming up on 1st August. As we dey get information now, they say that the former governor of Abia State, wey be Oduzo Kalu, don come outside come tell us say that the Igbos should not join protest and Nigeria youth should drop the protest. If you watch all these people that is saying this, all of them are politicians. But the question that we want to ask here is that, yes, we don't want the Igbos to join the protest because of what recently played during the presidential election, and the statements coming from all the whole politicians from the north and from the west. But now, for these people to start coming up to asking Nigeria youth to drop the protest, that means they are afraid of what is going to happen. They don't want to lose any single dime they are getting from Nigeria. But however, that is not the matter wey carry us come here today. We go watch the video when we come to that place. So guys, please, I want you to share this video, but I want to bring you this video for you to watch. The moment this man is telling the Igbos, IPOBs, to drop the agitation of Biafra and embrace Tinubu government, that Tinubu is ready to give mini Biafrans. He want to give mini Biafrans to Southeast by allowing them to have all they requested, all the whole thing they requested. According to this man, he also claimed that he speak with the leaders of IPOB, that the leaders of IPOB have agreed that if Tinubu can be able to bring all these necessary requirements that they have demanded from Nigeria government, that the agitation of that is the Biafra they are looking for, according to his statement. We are going to watch the video, but I just want to hit some points for you to understand what is going on. He also went ahead and said that they have accepted to drop Biafra as an agitation. Okay, what is the demand they are talking about? That they are going to make sure that is a seaport, international airport, the road network to every part of Biafra land will be built. Funny people. They can't stop funning us. Funny people. But however, let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
I saw in him a true Nigerian, a patriotic Nigerian, an unbiased Nigerian, and I queued in before he declared he was running. I was the secretary of Tinubu National Assembly ambassadors. We were going to him, asking him to come and run. So I did not start my followership of this president today. And when he came on board, we supported against all odds. And I told my people, I was like a lone voice in the Southeast, crying, this is the man, let's support him. He will do us well. Let me tell you, in the donkey years of PDP capturing the entire Southeast, Southeast Development Commission was never achieved. But in the 1 year of a handful of lone voices from Southeast supporting APC, and a man they saw that does not believe only in the coloration of his political party, but in the people he has come to govern. Look at what is happening, both in the appointment and also both in what he has done. People don't understand what he has done with this. He has entered the war. The agitation in the hearts of people, if I tell you the amount of calls I've been getting, amount of messages I've been getting all around the world, to be honest, he has written his name. I don't know if there's anything greater than gold, maybe diamond. That is the truth. He has written in forever. He will be remembered as a man who was intentional about reconciling the Southeast, healing their wound, reconstructing Southeast. Watch what is going to happen going forward. The roads that the people who are agitating with IPOB have been complaining about will now be built. The hospital that they have been complaining about that is not there will now be built. The classroom blocks they have been crying about will now be built. The industrialization they want in the Southeast that was not there, we're going to leverage our gas and build gas, industrial parks where our entrepreneurial skill will be. It is now you're going to see investors trooping into the Southeast. And who has done that? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So I am telling you that I had a meeting with the head of the IPOB, and he told me, if you succeed in getting this Southeast Development Commission, that is the Biafra we are asking for. He said the Biafra we are asking for is that instrument, that commission that will help us rebuild the Southeast, that will make us not feel marginalized. We have gotten it, thanks to Mr. President, without paying bribe, without coercing him, without he saw the need to rebuild Southeast. And you will see how Southeast will stand again. Southeast will rise again. Ubah asks, what are the immediate gains of this? You will see that in the preamble or the...
Foul. If Tinubu government is going to change Southeast, why are Nigerians preparing for protests to end bad governance? You know that when these people are talking, they are talking as if they are representing the people. Who do you consult before you start speaking this nonsense? Because I call it nonsense. Power belongs to the people. Do you know why the APC government and Tinubu are running up and down? Because of a hair protest. Do you know the reason why? Because they know that power belongs to the people. There is a stage you will be, everybody are ready to buy. And when you go to that stage which everybody are ready to buy, you cannot do anything. Because when they cut down your army, there will be this year they call what are they calling that year? Krishi. So now you see those people coming out. Ifeanyi Ubah, he made also a statement like this. Ifeanyi, President General, he made a statement like this, but it's not there anymore. Ifeanyi Ubah, as they are saying, if Ifeanyi Ubah truly dies now, it's not in the picture. We that is still alive will continue to suffer. So when you are making a statement, be careful of the statement you are making for benefit of the people. If you talk this thing tomorrow now, go by Tinubu no do anything, and people still there for the suffer, they go. My people, please drop your own opinion in this issue. Yes. Let us hear the message the former governor of Abia State will be Odus Okalu dropped to Nigerians that this is not a time for politics, that they should give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu time. He just entered. Hi. Somebody has been, if he do not do anything, 6 months, 1 year, very soon now, election campaign will start for the re-elect of Tinubu. Play, it will pass. But what I'm saying is that those who put him should do the protest. The Yorubas who say Eminioko, na their turn, should do what? do the protest. The Hausas who say they cannot watch the Igbos. The Ariwas who say they will not want the Igbos to be the president of Nigeria should do the what? The protest. Then when you come to the Southeast, the people who own the power are Biafrans. They have making their own clear that what they need is what? The state of Biafra, their own republic, to be on their own. It's very clear. So let me play the video, what Odus Okali is saying here for you to watch before we come back and continue.
I know times are very hard, but this is not the time that we should go to protest. Going on protest now, well, it might be beneficial for democracy, but it will not be expedient for our economic development. I want to appeal to all CSOs, all youths, all people who are thinking that what happened in Kenya can happen in Nigeria, to shape those plans. Give President Tinubu a little more time. It's too early to judge what he's doing. There's no president that will be elected by any country. I will be happy that the citizens are suffering. I know President Tinubu himself knows that we are.
Yeah, my wonderful people, now don't hear them. You say time are very hard though, and this is not the time if people should go for protest. You should give Tinubu time for him to bring more afflation, for him to increase more fuel price, for him to bring more hunger, poverty to the people of Nigeria. Well, I am telling Igbos not to join the protest anywhere, but for Nigerians who want to protest, for the Yorubas and the Hausas who want to protest, congratulations, we are in your back. But we the Igbos are not going to join the protest. Yes, we have our reasons, and the reasons we are going to drop it in the next video. Please do not forget to check out on our next video for you to see what is going on as we talk right now. Do not hesitate to drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video as many as you can. Please, my people, don't forget to go and follow us on our new TikTok You understand? And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Turn the notification bell anywhere you are following us, so that you'll be getting our updates back to back. Thank you.